Thank you for your interest in our ocean view studio apartment on Condado Beach. As you can see, we have a fully equipped kitchen with all utensils and appliances. The sitting area is very nicely furnished. The bed is very nice and comfortable. We provide free cable TV and internet access. The bathroom is newly renovated, and there's a walk-in closet here where we provide all linens and towels. But perhaps the nicest feature about this apartment is its beautiful ocean view. Our building is directly on the beach, and we have a collegiate-sized swimming pool and lounge chairs all around it. There's a very nice garden with picnic tables and a sandy beach that stretches for about 2 miles. If you walk this way, there's San Juan proper, where you can walk to many hotels, restaurants, casinos, shops, nightlife, and it's walking distance from our apartment. So I hope you like this tour of our studio apartment on Condado Beach, and we hope to be able to welcome you very, very soon. Thank you so much. Ciao.